Imagine this, folks. You are sipping chai, scrolling through Instagram, and bam, you see a mind blowing painting, a dancing elephant under a rainbow sky. And guess what? You made it. Not with a brush, but with Leonardo AI, your new creative sidekick. This is Suraj from Be10x, and let's get into the topic. But before we move on, Be10x has an exclusive workshop on AI tools like Leonardo, perfect for unlocking its full potential. Link is in the description below. Do check it out. We will talk more about it later in the video. Let's move on.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you a packet of chips. But what if I tell you 9 rupees can save your job? What if I tell you 9 rupees can get you salary hike? What if I tell you 9 rupees can build your career in better way? Sounds too good to be true, right?
Leonardo AI, art for everyone. Forget those expensive software or intimidating tools. Leonardo AI is like magic paintbrush on your phone. Accessible to everyone from doodling dentists to story snipping students. Think Bollywood disco under the Taj Mahal. A portrait of your dog as a superhero. Bam! Leonardo paints it on demand. Leonardo AI sounds interesting. Wanna explore and learn Leonardo AI? So keep these tips, which will make your learning journey much easier. Tip number one, image generation. Leonardo AI is the best free tool available in the market for image generation. Picture this. You whisper Bollywood disco under the Taj Mahal and Leonardo AI paints it. Just type in a few words and watch your dream come to the life on the screen. Think starry night over your hometown, a portrait of your dog as a superhero, anything, anything that you want. You can see it live on your screen. Let me show it to you. Just type Bollywood disco under the Taj Mahal. Click on generate and it's loading and here is the result. You can see that how wonderful the results are looking, right? Isn't it fascinating? Okay, now if you are not satisfied with the results, then click here and you will see the multiple options for the better prompts. Click on 4 or 6 whatever prompts you want and then see the magic. You will see the perfect precise prompt for the accurate results and here you can explore more. Let's move on to the tip number second, real time canvas. This one is my favorite because it gives me feel of that shakalaka boom boom pencil. Unlike other AI tools that make you feel weight, Leonardo AI lets you create in real time. Scribble a line and splash of color and watch your AI muse instantly, transform it into something amazing. It's like Van Gogh channeling his magic through your fingertips. Let me show you its magic. Just draw anything, okay, with your mouse, with your pencil, anything. Just draw it, draw lines, draw a circle, and see the magic just beside it, how it's creating the wonderful objects for you. Go give it a try and you will love it for sure. This back and forth dance with AI is pure creative joy. You are not just watching, you are actively painting your masterpiece, one brush stroke at a time. Leonardo AI is powerful, right? But mastering it takes practice. AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, हमने कितने सारे layoffs देखे हैं. Millions of jobs has been replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you. But the person using AI will definitely do. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tool workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with Be10x. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Let's continue to the last step, but the most important, one click fame. Share your art with the world. Imagine creating a masterpiece, then instantly sharing it on your favorite art platform, all with a single click. Leonardo AI makes it that easy. Upload your art and even your own website and let the world see your talent. Simply create your image or art, whatever you want, upscale it, and then log in to wiredstock.io. Upload your image, then fill all the required details and description about your image and just post it. Now, whenever anyone buys your image, you will get 85% of the image amount directly into your bank account, which is really a huge amount by just doing a small hustle. So don't just play with AI, own it. Join the Be10x Workshop and become the captain of your creative destiny. Seats are limited and these are filling faster than a Leonardo AI canvas with glitters. So click that link before it's too late. So ditch the blank canvas blues, embrace the magic of the Leonardo AI, and let your creativity explode. Explore, experiment, and share your art with the world. This is your time to shine, folks. Remember, B10X is here to fuel your rocket ship. Dhanyavad. This is Suraj Usate shining off. Till then, keep learning, keep growing with B10X.